Adding long videos on Facebook story can be a little tricky because if you open your Facebook app and then go to create story, and if you select a video that's longer than 30 seconds, for example this one, you can see it's telling me to shorten it to 26 seconds long. But to upload the whole video, you'll want to open your Messenger app instead. So go to any person that you want. At the bottom, you'll see this little gallery icon right here. And then just press on the video that you want to share to your story. And then press edit right here at the bottom left corner. So once you press edit, you can see at the bottom row it says your story right here. So if you tap on that, it will be added to your story and you don't need to shorten it. So if your problem was solved and you're satisfied, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe.